This video will demonstrate how to use RMS Connect to set up remote Telnet connection to your end device. Remote Telnet allows you to connect to your end device through Telnet by using the RMS connected device. Before we start the configuration, make sure you have Telnet access configured, have the IP address and know the port. Also, you have the end device connected to the RMS device. Your end device does not need an open internet connection. First, let's connect to RMS. Next, move the mouse cursor to RMS Connect on the left sidebar and select the remote Telnet. In the new window, move the mouse cursor to the top and click Add New Remote. You will get two options, Auto and Manual. Let's start the demonstration with Auto Scan by selecting Root X11 device. The list of detected options will be displayed. Let's select the IP, then the Telnet port and click Add. You will get a success message. A newly created remote Telnet connection will appear on the screen. You can edit, delete, or check the Teltonika network's device information by clicking these icons. Now let's delete the connection and try the manual option. Before filling out these details, you may hover over the question marks for additional information. Enter the name of the Telnet connection, enter the IP address for your end device, then set the Telnet port. The default one is 23. Finally, pick your RMS connected device and to finish, click the Add button. We now have another remote Telnet connection. To connect, click on the name of the connection or anywhere on the general highlighted area. Clicking the connection name will open the direct link generation window. And clicking on the general highlighted area will open the window with the complete Telnet connection information. In this window, to start a connection, you can click on the Connect button. Connection established. Or you can specify the preferred connection duration. RMS will create a shareable connection link. Let's click on that link. Let's enter the authentication information. We are connected. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like our video, subscribe and follow us on our social media channels. And be sure to check other tutorials by Teltonika Networks.